Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Creation. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful scattered dresses designs. You can also buy to the market about such designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel Creation. First, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful designs shown to you people in it. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. And share the Pinterest, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in a next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care, stay with me. We'll remember in pair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the latest updates. Take care and bye.